Alright guys, after so long, we finally got the coating restored on the Supra and... I hear the phone ringing. Hello?
I thought I'd never find you.
Who's this?
What, are you stupid or something? It's in the caller ID.
Oh, Camaro buyer? Yeah, I'm sorry though, the Camaro, it's not for sale.
I know your situation with the Supra and everything those dealerships have done to scam you. It's in your best interest to sell it to me.
I'm sorry. I won't. I can't.
I'll give you an offer you can't refuse.
Yeah, I refuse.
What, really?
Yeah.
What about now? That's what I thought. That Camaro is mine.
I will get it back.
I know you will buy it back, but for now, go enjoy your last drive.
We should be talking, not hiding the problem. Open a bottle and don't go to bed till the sun goes up. Till the sun goes up. Oh, I hope we don't give in. It would never be the same. It's like you're gone when you're still here. Will I lose? Oh, I hope you don't give in. I just want you here with me. Is there something I can say? Will I lose? Oh, I don't wanna lose you. I just don't wanna lose you. Oh, I wonder now, just where did we go wrong? 'Cause you know that I'm not ready to let go. If I lose you now, then what's the point? Oh, I don't wanna lose you. I just don't wanna lose you. Don't wanna lose you. Don't wanna lose you.
Well guys, I really never thought that this day would come, but I did end up selling the Camaro on consignment, but this video is going live once it's officially sold. So as of right now guys, this car is pretty guaranteed to be sold, and I really didn't want to do it. This has got to be one of the best handling, best drifting, best sounding. The burbles in this car, everything on this car is absolutely amazing, and it's stock. So I can guarantee you guys that once I am able to, I am going to track this car down and I am going to buy it back, guys, because there's no way I'm gonna let this car and its memories just leave for good, because this was my very first sports car that I had ever built. Before this car, it was just Kias and Hyundais. So this car basically introduced me to a whole new world and a whole new audience of people that watch these things, and it's absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. The dealership where this is going, guys, you may have heard of Makes and Models. That's where this car is going, guys, and they are 100% aware of the accident, the rebuild, and everything on this car, and they're going to be selling it at their dealership. So it's pretty interesting and it's pretty crazy to know, but I'm gonna go ahead, do an oil change on this car, put a full tank of gas in it, clean it, make sure it's 100% spick and span for selling, and they're literally picking the car up in like 2 days. It's gonna go straight over there and it's probably gonna sell ASAP. But yeah, guys, I don't even know how I'm supposed to make this video. It's absolutely painful for me to even say that we sold the Camaro, but I just know that this is not gonna be my last time seeing this car. But let's just take a look at it, guys, and relive some of the memories over the years. This car was a 2-year-long rebuild, guys, so take a look at this. We repainted all the frame pieces, got everything put together. We had so many troubles with this car. This wiring harness was a pain, but we got that fixed too. All that electrical, guys. painted everything inside and out. We wrapped the hood ourselves, painted everything. Literally everything that was done on this car was done by either me or my brother here, and it was a whole lot of work to get this thing done here. But unfortunately, at this moment, I guess we cannot keep them all, which is so sad. But look at this, guys. The suspension on this side was so badly damaged, and look at it now. It's literally spotless. We got the 1LE calipers on it. The airbags in this car were so blown, guys, and now the only thing that's blown is my heart. So take a look at this, guys. So beautiful. It's literally a brand new car in here. Somebody is about to have one of the best specs and examples of a 1LE Camaro, because this car was 100% rebuilt with all OEM parts, as well as the fact that Makes and Miles was telling me all of these Camaros from this year are selling. They typically have a mileage of around 40,000 miles. This one only has 6. So very low miles on this car, brand new tires, you know, fluids and everything, you know, even, you know, brand new fenders and stuff on this car as well. This car is insanely mint, but it's super sad to see it go, and I hope that I get to see it again. I hope it's like coming across on camera how incredibly difficult and emotional this is for me. I'm really bummed that this is like my last oil change and my last goodbye on the Camaro until hopefully in the future I see it again. This car is literally the profile picture of this channel, or at least currently. It's like so sad to see it go. But I even had to go to the dealership. My hair's like getting in my face. But I even had to go to the dealership to get this big old heat. So I don't want to use that one. I want the car to be 100% perfect for the dealership and for its new owner. And I want this car to... And yeah, I just want this... Yeah, I'm sure the Camaro is going to feel sad too, leaving its creator, or I guess resurrector. I hate this part, but gosh, guys, I cannot believe it. That's actually going. I got to remove my tracker off of this thing. Okay, I got my tracker off. You could really never be too safe. Oh yeah. I'm surprised the wind isn't like pushing it. Oh, never mind. That was a close one. Wow, that's scary. Hi, nice to meet you. Can I shake your hand? I shook the oil monster's hand, and then he sneezed on it. Booyah. Okay, so that does it on the oil, guys, and the change and all the stuff that I wanted to do with it to make sure the car is 100% before it goes off to Utah. So with that being said, now guys, I cannot wait until the day where I don't have to do this. I can keep the stuff that we worked so hard to build. Alright guys, so I got the whole car washed up. I even went ahead and threw on some tire shine, and then of course a cover so the car doesn't get dirty. It is incredibly early right now. Alright guys, he is here. Alright, it's time for a cold start. The hardest part was probably, one of the hardest parts, was probably taking my phone out of the Bluetooth menu and deleting it. That part hurt. Bye, Camaro. I'm gonna miss that guy.